Hi, my name is Teppo Apoya, and this is the Heart Visuals Wedding Photography course on how to nail portraits. Over the past 5 years, alongside my brother Matty, we've been able to travel all around the world, documenting the most amazing weddings with the best couples ever. In this course, we're going to specifically focus on how to nail the portrait session. We all know that time of the wedding day when the portrait session is about to come up, and we're a little bit nervous about how it's going to go. I believe from this course, you will get the right tools and confidence that you need in order to nail your portrait session. In this course, we are going to go over how you can prepare for the wedding day. We're going to talk about composition, how you can get the best possible portraits by composing the couple into the scene that you're taking photos in. And lastly, we're going to talk about posing. How can you get the couple relaxed, and how can you guide them in order to get the best possible and most natural portraits? So join me in the Heart Visuals Wedding Photography course on how to nail portraits.